Hello students, good morning and welcome to my new fresh video. तो previous class रे पढ़ाई थिला देखो कोन पढ़ाई थिला previous class रे पढ़ाई थिला electric field intensity due to a point charge. Okay, due to a point charge पढ़ाई थिला ऑलरेडी. तो केस 1 पढ़ाई थिला. केस 1 रा कोन केस 1 होछि देखो when the charge is situated at the origin. Okay, when the charge is situated at the origin. Okay, then case 2 টা হবে দেখো when the charge is situated situated anywhere. Okay, when the charge is situated anywhere. So आज हमें पढ़िबा केस 2. देखो केस 2 पढ़िबा पिला माने केस 2. ओके, केस 2 that is when the charge is situated anywhere. देखो पिला माने when the charge is situated anywhere. Okay, तो फर्स्ट डू द डायग्राम कर दियो. देखो एटी भी तीन एक्सिस नियो, दैट इज सपोज x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस, सपोज दिस इज z एक्सिस. देखो ओरिजिन हो केस 1 रे कोन होतिला, केस 1 रे क्यूडेक्स चार्ज ता एटी रहउतिला, सोर्स चार्ज ता. ओके, किंतु एटी रहइबो देखो दैट इज s पॉइंट. सोर्स चार्ज क्यूडेक्स जॉइन करो. ओके, देन हियर p पॉइंट माने कोन दैट इज ऑब्जर्वेशन पॉइंट. ठीक है, बढ़ाई दियो. ओके, p पॉइंट दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स. p पॉइंट रे को चार्ज रहइबो प्लस q0 चार्ज, s चार्ज जॉइन करो, op को जॉइन करो. ओके, os देन op. f वेक्टर p वेक्टर को चार्ज रहिला प्लस q0 चार्ज, s पॉइंट रे q डेक्स चार्ज रहिला. ओके, देन थ्योरी लिखो. let s be the source point. Let s be the source point and p be the observation point. P be the observation point situated at position vector कोन सोर्स कोन दैट इज r vector position, एटाला r vector. ओके, p be the observation point situated at position vector r vector and r vector. देखो let s be the source point and p be the observation point situated at position vector r vector and r vector. Okay, then लिख दिया here os vector is equal to suppose r vector. Okay, then op vector is equal to r vector. देखो एटा कोन भाई पोजीशन वेक्टर. देन देखो पिला माने let s be the source point and p be the observation point situated at position vector r vector and r vector. Okay, here os vector is equal to r vector, then op vector is equal to that is r vector. Okay, then in triangle OSP, देखो OSP ट्रायंगल रे देखो इन ट्रायंगल OSP ट्रायंगल रे ओके हियर देखो OP वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू कोन हेबो OP वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू हेबो देखो OS वेक्टर प्लस SP वेक्टर देखो पिला माने OP वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू OS वेक्टर प्लस SP वेक्टर ओके देन व्हाट इज SP वेक्टर SP वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू हेबो देखो OP वेक्टर माइनस OS वेक्टर ओके देन SP वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू देखो OP वेक्टर माने केते नै छु हमें OP वेक्टर माने नै छु R वेक्टर व्हाट इज OS वेक्टर दैट इज R टेक्स्ट वेक्टर देखो स्टूडेंट्स ओके तो SP वेक्टर हम लिखि दियो SP रा वैल्यू केते हला R वेक्टर माइनस R टेक्स्ट वेक्टर ओके देन फोर्स बाहर करो देन फोर्स then force acting on charge q0 force acting on charge q0 at point p is given by देखो स्टूडेंट्स then force acting on charge q0 at point p is कौन है फॉर्मूला that is F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q0 into q dash by SP रो cube SP रो cube into SP vector देखो पिला माने फार्मूला force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q dash into q0 by SP रो cube into SP vector give equation number 1 okay then SP vector का वैल्यू पुट कर दियो that is SP vector का वैल्यू पुट करो SP vector रो that is F vector okay F vector is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q dash q0 q dash by SP रो cube माने R vector minus R text vector रो मॉडुलस रो cube okay R vector minus R text vector of modulus of cube into R vector minus R text vector okay give equation number 2 देखो स्टूडेंट्स F vector इक्वल केते हला 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q0 into q dash by modulus of R vector minus R text vector of modulus of cube into R vector minus R text vector okay then बाहर करो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट पॉइंट P रे बाहर करो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट पॉइंट P इज गिवन बाय कोन हो पिला माने देखो फार्मूला E फैक्टर इज इक्वल टू फोर्स बाय चार्ज प्लस q0 चार्ज देखो फार्मूला कहार फार्मूला E फैक्टर माने कोन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू फार्मूला कोन फोर्स बाय चार्ज गिव इक्वेशन नंबर 3 एबे कोन करिवो इक्वेशन 2 रा वैल्यू इक्वेशन 3 रे पुट कर दियो देखो using equation 2 in equation number 3 we get देखो that is E factor is equal to कोन हला F that is F रो वैल्यू केते 1 इक्वेशन 2 रे 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q0 into q dash divided by R vector minus R text vector of cube modulus of cube into R vector minus R text vector okay whole divided by that is q0 plus q0 okay देखो q0 and q0 cancel each other then देखो E vector is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q dash by R vector minus R text vector of whole cube modulus of whole cube into R vector minus R text vector okay give equation number 4 okay give equation number 4 This is the answer. This is the final expression. Okay, this is the final expression. Okay, this is the final expression. Okay, this is the final expression. Then देखो पिला हम लिखी दियो. Equation 4 is the expression for, लिखी दियो समझते. Equation 4 is the expression for what? Expression for electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. Electric field intensity due to a point charge. Due to a point charge when the charge is situated anywhere. Okay, देखो equation 4 is the expression for electric field intensity due to a point charge when the charge is situated anywhere. Okay, complete. देखो पिला माने long question complete, case 1 and case 2 complete. Then next topic, that is electric lines of force. A short question, that is electric lines of force. Maybe long question नहीं पारिबो. Electric lines of force and properties of electric lines of force. Okay, so what is the definition of electric lines of force? हमें देखिबा. देखो electric lines of force is defined as the path. Path माने कौन? रास्ता. Defined as the path. Electric lines of force is defined as the path. Straight भी ही पारिबो, straight or curve. से रास्ता कौन है? Straight ही पारिबो और curve. ହେଲା, straight or curve along which a unit positive charge, electric lines of force is defined as the path straight or curved along which a unit positive charge is urged to move in an electric field. देखो स्टूडेंट्स definition. Electric lines of force is defined as the path straight or curved along which a unit positive charge is urged माने कौन? Forced to move in an electric field. This is the definition of electric lines of force. Okay, then properties of electric lines of force. Properties of electric lines of force, very important. Number 1, properties of electric lines of force. First point, the electric lines of force directed away from positive charge. The electric lines of force directed away from positive charge while directed inwards to negative charge. देखो पिला माने the electric lines of force directed away from positive charge while electric lines of force directed inwards to negative charge. Okay, while directed inwards to negative charge माने डायग्राम कर दियो. देखो ता माने बुझो पिला माने मीनिंग टा, दैट इज पॉजिटिव चार्ज रु आगे हे जीव. देखो बाहर की डायरेक्ट आगे माने कोन? दिस इज डायरेक्टेड away देखो पिला माने okay the electric lines of force directed away from positive charge okay positive charge ता बाहरी जीव देखो then while directed inwards to negative charge करो that is inwards देखो directed inwards this is the actual meaning देखो पिला माने okay this is the first one the electric lines of force directed away from positive charge while directed inwards to negative charge okay then number 2 properties देखो number 2 properties tangent at any point tangent at any point on the electric lines of force okay on the electric lines of force gives the direction of E factor direction of electric field intensity factor direction of E factor देखो पिला माने tangent at any point on the electric lines of force gives the direction of E factor what is called E factor that is electric field intensity factor okay then diagram कर दियो suppose this is electric lines of force देखो electric lines of force ए P पॉइंट रे माने कर सपोज टैंजेंट ड्रा करो सपोज दिस इज टैंजेंट ओके एटा कोन सिग्निफाई करिवो डायरेक्शन ऑफ E फैक्टर देखो दिस इंडिकेट्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ E फैक्टर एटी टैंजेंट ड्रा कराला देखो दिस इज द टैंजेंट ओके दिस इज पॉइंट 2 देन नंबर 3 देखो पिला माने two electric lines of force never intersect each other okay two electric lines of force two electric lines of force never intersect each other okay then number I give the number of electric lines of force the electric lines of force per unit area okay the electric lines of force per unit area is proportional to magnitude of E factor देखो very important that is magnitude of E factor number 4 properties the electric lines of force per unit area is proportional to magnitude of E factor what is E factor electric field intensity factor okay then number B point देखो the electric lines of force tend to contract okay the electric lines of force tend to contract lengthwise but longitudinally tend to contract longitudinally okay the electric lines of force tend to contract longitudinally माने कोन that is lengthwise okay that is they repel each other देखो the electric lines of force tend to contract longitudinally, that is lengthwise, that is they repel each other. Diagram karo. Suppose this is positive charge attract habo hala, that is they attract, each other. The electric lines of force tend to contract longitudinally, lengthwise, that is they attract each other. Okay, positive negative, this is positive, this is negative. Okay, देखो lengthwise रे कोन हबो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हबो कोसा डायग्राम टी क्लियरली करो पिला माने देखो ओके एरो मार्क दे दिया, दिस इज पॉजिटिव चार्ज, दिस इज नेगेटिव चार्ज. देखो एरो मार्क ओके this is the diagram. Okay, this is the diagram of point D. The electric lines of force tend to contract longitudinally, that is lengthwise, that is they attract each other. Due to this property, unlike charges attract each other. देखो पिला माने due to this property unlike charges attract each other. देखो एरो मार्क ठीक से दिया पिला माने due to this property unlike charges attract each other. Okay, then number last point, that is vi, last point. The electric lines of force tend to exert lateral pressure, that is they repel each other, देखो पिला माने the electric lines of force tend to exert lateral pressure, that is sidewise, lateral pressure sidewise, that is they repel each other. Do the diagram. Positive charge, it is positive charge देखो, that is देखो पिला माने डायग्राम देखि दियो. Okay, the electric lines of force tend to exert lateral pressure, that is they repel each other. Okay, for this property it is like charges repel each other. Okay, for this property like charges repel each other. Okay, then next class से पढ़िबा हमें इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल, very very important. next class से पढ़िबा. Okay, इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल. Okay, students, thank you. जदि ए वीडियो जदि भल लागुछि माने लाइक करो, शेयर करो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो और पाखरे थिबा बेल आइकन दबाई दियो. ओके, समस्त सब्सक्राइब करि दियो टिके.